Grade 6 students, today I am going to explain adding masses. Page 108, you can see they have given 4 items. They have given masses of 4 items. Now we have to find the total mass of those 4 items. Right, now I have written separately 750 grams, 1 kilo and 500 grams, 1 kilo and 250 grams, 1 kilo and 500 grams. You can see I have written separately kilograms and grams. Now I am going to add everything. When you add, you get 5 kilograms. Then the next example, page 109, 1 kilogram 500 grams, 1 kilogram 250 grams, 1 kilogram 500 grams. When you add grams, you get 1250 grams. You can't write 1250 grams in grams column. Why? 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. So you can subtract 1000 grams. Then your balance will be 250 grams. You can write 250 grams under grams column. Then 1000 grams convert into kilograms, then you get 1 kilogram. Then you add everything, 4 kilograms and 250 grams. Second example, kilograms and grams. 2 kilograms, 750 grams, 1 kilogram, 450 grams. You add everything. Then you get 1200 grams. You can't write 1200 grams. You subtract 1000 grams, then your balance will be 200 grams. You are writing it under grams column. Then 1000 grams you convert into kilograms, then 1 kilogram. When you add everything, you get 4 kilograms. 4 kilograms and 200 grams. Right. Page 109, exercise 20.4. Question number 1, sub-question 1, 2, 3, page 110, sub-question 4, 5, 6, and question number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for homework. Then I am going to explain subtracting masses. Right. I will show you 2 examples, right? Remember, 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams. You can see I have written first example, 2 kilogram 250 grams minus 750 grams. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. You borrow from kilograms column. Then here will be 12. 12 minus 7 will be 5. You have already given 1 minus 0 will be 1. Second example, I have given kilograms and grams. 10 kilograms, no grams, but you have to write 3 zeros, right? 5 kilograms and 650 grams. Use minus. 0 minus 0, 0. Take from here. Then here will be 10 you are giving. Then here will be 10. 10 minus 5, 5. You have already given. Then the 9. 9 minus 6 will be 3. Given. Here 9. 9 minus 5 will be 4. Your answer will be 4 kilograms and 350 grams. Page 111, exercise 20.5, question number 1. There are 6 sub questions. Page 112, question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 for homework. Please do all the homework and submit on time. You don't want to write the question, but you have to show the working of the sums.